Mainstream history claims our ancestors built sacred monuments purely for aesthetics and rituals. But if you strip away the textbooks and study the satellite geodetic coordinates of the largest functioning temple town on Earth, you confront an impossible design. Spanning 156 acres, the Srirangam matrix is laid out into 7 massive concentric stone enclosures, forming a geometric pattern that flawlessly mirrors a modern silicon CPU circuit board. This isn't primitive architecture. This is a macro-scale wave-damping engine, engineered to manipulate physical energy. Today, we decode the forbidden structural physics of Srirangam. From the structural layout engineered to trap and step down external acoustic distortion, to a monumental stone assembly hall that achieves absolute balance without a single modern steel load-bearing beam. The data is written in stone. You just have to know how to read it. Let's decode the matrix.
We begin with the macro geometry. Srirangam is structurally engineered using the Subterranean blueprint, 7 concentric walled rings nested perfectly inside one another, connected by 21 towering Gopuram gates. In computer hardware design, a CPU utilizes nested rings to isolate the delicate core processor from external electrical interference. In structural acoustics, this exact layout functions as a geometric frequency trap. As you move from the chaotic outer city gates toward the central core, each multi-ton stone barrier and towering gateway acts as a mechanical resistor. The massive stone walls break down, absorb and step down external environmental noise and kinetic wind pressures. By the time you reach the absolute center, the ambient atmospheric frequency is completely stabilized, creating a microclimate of pure, uncompromised sonic silence. Our ancestors didn't just build a city, they printed a physical signal processor out of solid granite.
Step inside the Ayuram Kal Mandapam, the legendary 1,000-pillar hall, and you confront a masterclass in zero-tolerance weight distribution. This monumental pavilion features a hyper-precise square grid array of solid granite pillars. The engineering anomaly here lies entirely in the roof span. Ancient builders achieved a completely flat, wide-open stone ceiling using multi-ton granite slabs, without deploying a single central load-bearing steel beam, structural arch, or modern concrete binding agent. To prevent millions of pounds of stone from collapsing inward under its own dead weight, the pillars were carved with calculated microtapers. This geometry converts vertical downward gravity into a uniform, diagonal compression force that locks the ceiling slabs together by friction alone. It is a flawless structural matrix that modern simulation software still struggles to replicate without metal reinforcements.
The macro circuit of Srirangam proves our ancestors possessed advanced structural calculations. But the true, hidden core of this engine is buried completely out of sight, beneath the heavy flagstones. In our next episode, we dive deep into the subterranean secrets of Srirangam. We will decode the herbal polymer matrix, a massive central deity engineered not from stone, but a hyper-dense, non-corrosive organic composite that has resisted chemical decay for centuries. The subterranean hydro shield, a hidden 2 million-liter underground pressure grid designed to protect an entire island city from catastrophic river floods. The blueprint expands beneath the earth. Make sure you are subscribed with notifications turned on, because the next file we unlock changes everything. I'm your host for Era Lens Unsolved. Let's keep decoding the grid together.